Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Rouyn-Noranda local and long-distance movers near me. If you're ready to hire a cheap Rouyn-Noranda moving company, 3 Movers offers the right options for your needs. We offer both local and long-distance moving services to make it easier for you. Our team has helped families relocate, students go off to college, military members move quickly, and even business owners relocate. There are plenty of options you can use for your long-distance move, including packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. There are plenty of reasons to hire our long-distance movers. If you want a less stressful relocation, we are here to help. Our team will help you move 100 miles, 500 miles, or even 2,000 miles away. The right Canada Moving Company can make your local move simple. You don't really want to handle all that heavy lifting and hard work yourself, do you? With good local movers, you won't have to worry about anything. 3 Movers offers the team for you. We streamline the entire local moving process to make it simple and easy for you. Our team will make sure you get settled in with more energy and faster when you hire our local movers. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Rouyn-Noranda moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.